national motto of India? Answer: Satyamava Jayate. National anthem of India? Answer: Jana Gana Mana. National song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. India's population as on 2019? Answer C: 135 crore. India's largest city by population? Answer B: Mumbai. At present, number of states and union territories in India? Answer C: 28 states and 8 union territories. India's population density as on 2020? Answer C: 464 per square kilometer. India's total area? Answer D: 3.3 million square kilometer. Sex ratio in India according to 2011 census? Answer A: 940 females per 1000 of male. What is the name of India's national aquatic animal? Answer A: river dolphin. In which century did Portuguese merchants first land in Goa? Answer D: 16th century. Who designed the Indian Parliament in New Delhi? Answer C: Edwin Lancel Lutyens. Hindi Divas celebrated in India on? Answer A: 14th September. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? Answer B: Kerala. Which state is known as India's space garden? Answer A: Kerala. On which river bank is Goa located? Answer B: Mandovi. Which state in India is the largest producer of soybean? Answer C: Madhya Pradesh. On which spacecraft did Rakesh Sharma make his historic trip to space? Answer B: Soyuz T. Who was the backup crew for Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian in space? Answer D: Ravish Malhotra. Which is India's first artificial satellite? Answer B: Aryabhat. IRS series satellites are used for? Answer A: remote sensing. First university established in India? Answer A: University of Calcutta. The first IIT was established in 1951, known as? Answer C: IIT Kharagpur. Biggest district in India? Answer D: Kutch, Gujarat. Smallest district in India? Answer A: Mahe, Pondicherry. Arundhati Roy was the first Indian to own a Man Booker Prize. She won for the book? Answer D: The God of Small Things. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? Answer A: Wular Lake, Jammu and Kashmir. Which is the highest waterfall in India? Answer A: Kunchikal Falls, 455 meters. Which wildlife sanctuary declared as first national park in India? Answer D. Jim Corbett National Park. Which is the first Indian company listed in Nasdaq Stock Exchange? Answer A. Infosys. Which agreement signed at the end of India-Pakistan War of 1971? Answer A. Shimla Agreement. First Minister of Education who have been awarded with Bharat Ratna Award? Answer B. Abul Kalam Azad. Rabindranath Tagore, first non-European, won Nobel Prize in 1913 for the book? Answer D. Gitanjali. Gitanjali, written by Rabindranath Tagore, is a collection of? Answer C. 157 poems. Project Tiger in India was started in the year? Answer D. 1973. Which state in India share only one border with Indian state? Answer D. Sikkim. Which one is the longest river bridge over a single river in India? Answer D. Dhola Sadia Bridge, Assam. Famous environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna is associated which movement? Answer B. Chipko movement. Operation Flood is a movement related with the product? Answer A. Milk. Who is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution? Answer C. M.S. Swaminathan. World's first granite temple was built in India. Find the which one? Answer A. Brihadeshwara Temple. The first Indian newspaper to offer an online edition on internet? Answer D. The Hindu. Sanskrit is the official language of which state? Answer C. Uttarakhand. How many Parvas in the Mahabharata book? Answer D. 18. How many Kandas in the Ramayana book? Answer B. 7. In which year was the capital of India shifted from Calcutta to Delhi? Answer C. 1911. Where is the largest shipyard in India is located? Answer C. Kochi. Which state has the minimum total forest area covered in India? Answer D. Haryana. The Gulf of Mannar is situated along the coast of? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Indian Standard Time (IST) refers to the local time of which city? Answer C. Allahabad. Which one is the oldest refinery in India? Answer D. Digboi. Which state is the largest producer of rice in India? Answer A. West Bengal. Which state is the largest producer of cotton in India? Answer B. Gujarat. Where the India's first defense university is located? Answer D. Haryana. Which one is the oldest mountain range in India? Answer B. Aravalli. Which one is the highest mountain peak in India? Answer C. Kanchenjunga. Which one is the longest river in South India? Answer D. Godavari. Which one is the longest rail tunnel in India? Answer C. Pir Panjal. In which city the longest flyover of India is located? Answer D. Hyderabad. In which state the living root bridges is found? Answer D. Meghalaya. Which one is the largest zoological park zoo in India? Answer A. Erignar Anna Zoological Park, Chennai. In which state the cleanest village of India and Asia, Maulinang, is located? Answer D. Meghalaya. Where is the headquarters of Indian Railway is located? Answer A. Delhi. Where is the headquarters of Life Insurance of India, LIC, is located? Answer D. Mumbai. Who is the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer C. Bachendri Pal. Who is known as the Birdman of India? Answer B. Salim Ali. Who was the first Indian to be a member of British Parliament? Answer C. Dadabhai Naoroji. The Onam festival is mainly celebrated in which state? Answer A. Kerala. Kuchipudi is a classical dance from the state? Answer D. Andhra Pradesh. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance from the state? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Total number of caves present in the Ajanta caves, Maharashtra, is? Answer D. 30. Total number of caves present in the Ellora caves, Maharashtra? Answer B. 34. Mahakumbh Mela can be held on same place after every? Answer D. 12 years. Officially, Indian Republic Day celebration continues for a duration of? Answer C. 3 days. Total number of spokes present in the Ashok Chakra? Answer B. 24. When the postal index number PIN was first introduced in India? Answer D. 1972. Total number of PIN postal index number zones in Indian Postal Service is? Answer B. 9. French is one of the official languages of which union territories? Answer C. Pondicherry. Tata Airlines is now known as? Answer B. Air India. The international hub of Jet Airways is located at? Answer D. Belgium. In which year Reserve Bank of India was established? Answer C. 1949. The largest museum of India is located at? Answer A. Kolkata. Which railway station is at highest latitude in India? Answer A. Ghum. India's first metro railway service in Kolkata was started in the year? Answer A. 1984. India's first all-woman post office is located at? Answer A. Delhi. Mother Teresa received Nobel Prize in the year? Answer A. 1979. In which country Mother Teresa was born? Answer C. Macedonia. The population census in India is conducted after every? Answer B. 10 years. Who is known as the Metro Man in India? Answer C. E. Sridharan. Which city is known as the Diamond City of India? Answer D. Surat. Who is known as the Missile Woman of India? Answer C. Tessie Thomas. The National Stock Exchange of India is located at? Answer A. Mumbai. The Bombay Stock Exchange BSE of India was established in the year? Answer B. 1875. Which state in India was the first to apply VAT value-added tax? Answer C. Haryana. Which city of India is also known Leather City of India? Answer D. Kanpur. Which city of India is also known as Manchester of India? Answer C. Ahmedabad. Which city of India is also known as Silicon Valley of India? Answer D. Bengaluru. Which city of India is also known as Orange City of India? Answer A. Nagpur. Itanagar is the capital city of which Indian state? Answer D. Arunachal Pradesh. Which one is the largest northeastern state according to area-wise? Answer B.